Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Zaman here again. Today I'm doing one very quick video where I will be showing you how you can upload video in your YouTube channel, and how, if in case you don't like due to any reason, then how to delete your video. Okay, so the first of all, what do you have to be do in order to start anything? Just make sure you're in your right YouTube channel. Okay, I mean, sometime if you have a one or two account, you can check here, click here on your account, which account and your channel. Okay, so make sure you're on your right page. So to upload the video, just see here this plus button, click create, click here and upload video. Okay, so after clicking on the upload and this small window will open, then click here select files. Okay, and then see where you saved your videos. Okay, for me this is in the video section. So then this is just I'm doing for any test purpose only, so I will click this video and open. So meanwhile, as you can see here, the video is uploading. Okay, so usually it takes time, and it depends on your on the length of the video also, how long video it is. So if it is like longer, then it will take time, but if it is shorter, because this video is short, so it upload very quickly and is now processing. So but meanwhile it is uploading it, you can do your like fill the detail at the title. So is my test video. Okay, and the description, this what is this video is all about. So how to upload and delete videos on YouTube channel. Okay, so then next, then click here to upload your thumbnail. So in my another separate video, I will show you how to create the upload your thumbnail. Okay, so but if you have already, then you just click here, then click here, then it will ask you where is your thumbnail, then you just upload here. And then this is the playlist, so just select here your playlist. Okay, so um like as I have just, this is my old playlist, so which one is relates to my video, I will just click there. If this is totally new, then I will just click here new playlist. Okay, and then audience, so if this video is for kids, then okay, otherwise just click here no, it's not for kids. Then add here your tags. So in the your YouTube, the keywords and tags are plays very important role. Okay, because this will help you to your ranking in your video in YouTube and in Google's. So again, um just category, click here which categories your video is belongs to, then next. Okay, and then this is for the end screen. If you have want to add the end screen, again I will talk about these all end screen thumbnails in my separate video. And add cards, then click here next. So as you can see here, it's already processing. So checks and copyright, so there is no issue found. And so then click next. Okay, so this is the last step, but this is very important step. If you can, as you can see in the visibility, there are the three tabs are here: private, unlisted, and public. If you want to public your video, then always just click here. If you wants to public but you have clicked either private or unlisted, then your audience cannot see your video. Okay, so as I have just made my another video, which I will put the link for that video in the YouTube description. Sometimes we upload our video, but it's not showing in our dashboard or in our YouTube channels. Okay, the reason for that, because we have either clicked here in the private or unlisted. So it is very important, just you have to be click here on the public Okay, so because this one is just for my test video only, I'm not doing public, so I'll just click here unlisted, then click save. Okay, so and here if you want, this is now your YouTube link, and if you want to share your video either on LinkedIn, Tumblr, Facebook, so then you can do it here. So now as you can see here, this is our test video which is already uploaded here. So now you want to edit or you want to add some details, or so then you can just click here in this pencil icon. Okay, and then if you want to add more description or you want to change the title or any editing here, then you can just do it. Okay, and the second, this is an editor here also. If you will click here, uh here you can just, if you want to some trim your video, I mean in the beginning or at the end where you have just took the long pause, and or either you have a big gap, if you want to trim that, you can use that one here. If you will want to add any music, and here if you want to add any end screen. Okay, so in detail I will just show you in my next video. So then again, after that, okay, so then you can just go to your video. So as you can see here, your video, but now some reason you don't like this video or you want to delete it. So how you can do that? Again, go back to your videos. Okay, again come here. You can see here these three dots. Click here and edit title and description, get shareable link, promote, download, or delete forever. Click delete forever. But just make sure to delete your video, just double check it that is this the right video which you want to delete it. Okay, delete forever. Again this window will open. Click here. I understand that deleting is permanent and it cannot be undone. Okay, if yes you want to delete it, then just click here delete forever. So as you can see, your video is deleted already. Okay, so that's all. So this was just I explained you in this video how to upload and edit details in it and delete your video. Again, if you like my video, then just click the like button, and if you have any questions, then just leave your questions below in the comment section. I will be get back to you. Again, thank you so much for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel, because every day I will be making more how-to videos, and I'm making more videos on for affiliate marketing. And so just then stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel, and I will be bringing more new videos for you. Okay, and thank you so much and stay safe. Bye.